This video is going to demonstrate how to create a set of self-paced questions that really turn into a set of self-paced directions. The students will just be answering yes, and that will give them the next set of directions. This works well in multi-step processes such as science experiments. This is going to be very similar to what you saw on the Ron Clark video. Our first step would be insert questions. We want to choose not multiple choice, but a simple yes and no. Add that question. Paste my question in here. The correct answer will be yes, so they can move on to the next one. I'm going to click apply. This is the most important part. I'm going to add a new set of directions, so I have direction 1, direction 2. Paste my second direction here. I'm going to assign that yes is the correct answer. I'm going to put in a very long time limit, so that way our questions can run the whole entire time throughout the class. I'm going to click apply. Repeat the process, enter my next question in. At this point, I am finished, so I want to click apply and done. As you notice now, I'm ready to go by simply clicking the play symbol, and nothing appears on the screen until I click the play symbol. I'm going to maximize this. So what we see here is this is the elapsed time. And at this point, my students would pick up their clickers, select their answer, send it in. We see that Colin has answered question number 1 and moved on to question 2, while Bob and Doug are still going. We see that Colin has answered something incorrect, so we can go talk to him about this particular question, and Bob and Doug are still working. So this screen here is going to allow you as a teacher to monitor where they are, question 1 and 2, and monitor who's taking long or who's going to need additional help as they go along. As time goes on, though, you are going to have to scroll back and forth quite a bit to look at where people are in the question set. Another key element would be, if this is a science experiment, if Bob and Colin and Doug, say, are working on the same team, only one of them is going to be using the clicker at the time. They don't all have to be, and that way it can really reduce how many people you have actively running this quiz. This has been self-paced questions specifically for pushing out directions to students.